The job market for software engineers is more competitive than ever. With advanced tools making applications easier and recent layoffs increasing the applicant pool, standing out has become a real challenge. But fear not, there are effective strategies to boost your chances of landing that crucial interview. First, focus on quality over quantity in your applications. Avoid the temptation of one-click applications. Instead, invest time in tailoring your resume and cover letter for each job. A personalized application demonstrates your genuine interest and can be a decisive factor for recruiters. Next, explore opportunities beyond popular job boards. Look into startups or companies that have recently secured funding, as they are likely to be hiring. Network with staffing agencies, attend industry meetups, and follow niche job forums to uncover hidden opportunities. Showcase your skills online. Stay active on social media, but go beyond networking. Engage with new software and tools to demonstrate your technical prowess and catch industry trends. Creating content or contributing to open-source projects can significantly raise your profile in the tech community. While applying, continue to enhance your skills. If job posts frequently mention specific skills like prompt engineering, take the time to learn them. This proactive approach not only prepares you for future roles, but also makes your application stand out. Do not overlook smaller opportunities. Consider contract work, freelancing, or smaller gigs. These roles can help you build a diverse portfolio and often lead to bigger opportunities. They can make you a more attractive candidate for future full-time positions. Securing a job as a software engineer in today's market is challenging, but with persistence and creativity, you can succeed. Focus on demonstrating your value to potential employers through tailored applications, continuous learning, and showcasing your skills. By following these strategies, you can increase your chances of landing more interviews and ultimately, your desired software engineering role.